Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you study with OCD. Begin by setting one clear study goal for each session and plan short, focused blocks with built-in breaks. Use a visible timer and checklist to limit perfectionism and track progress. Allow small, controlled rituals so they don't derail work, then gently return focus. Practice brief acceptance exercises when urges arise and celebrate completing tasks to reinforce steady study habits. Create a calm space that supports focus by removing unnecessary items and organizing supplies into dedicated spots. Limit sensory triggers and keep the desk clear to prevent repetitive checking. Use noise control like soft music or earplugs if helpful, and set up a reliable timer system for study and break intervals. Small environmental changes reduce anxiety and make it easier to stick with a plan without constant interruptions. Try structured intervals like 25 minutes on and 5 minutes off, adjusting to what feels manageable. When compulsive urges appear, delay them by even 5 minutes and increase that delay over time to build tolerance. Record what you accomplish, celebrate small wins, and use brief rewards after each completed session. Pair techniques with simple breathing exercises to ease anxiety and keep attention anchored to the task at hand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.